Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education with a current affair which will help you in your competitive exam. PM Narendra Modi inaugurates submarine optical fiber cable connecting Chennai Port Blair. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the submarine optical fiber cable connecting Chennai and Port Blair on August 10, 2020. The Prime Minister had laid the foundation stone for this project on December 30, 2018 at Port Blair. While delivering his inaugural address, the Prime Minister stated that completing the process of laying 2,300 km long cable under the sea before the scheduled time in praiseworthy. He highlighted that deep sea surveys maintaining cable quality and laying cable using a special ship is not easy. PM Modi further stated that the optical fiber cable project, which connects Andaman and Nicobar with the rest of the country, is a symbol of our commitment towards ease of living. He stated that this will enable thousands of families in Andaman and Nicobar to get access to online classes, tourism, digital banking, online shopping, or telemedicine. The Prime Minister emphasized that tourists going to Andaman will get a huge benefit of this facility because better net connectivity has become the first priority of any tourist destination. The Prime Minister, through a tweet, recalled his 2018 visit to Andaman and Nicobar Island when people complain about poor internet. He stated that the 2,300 km long submarine cable will change that. He assured that the cable will transform lives in quick time and challenging geographies. PM Modi further stated that high-impact projects are now being expanded in 12 islands of Andaman and Nicobar. He reiterated that while a key problem of the island mobile and internet connectivity has been resolved, the center is working on the strengthening physical connectivity through road, air, and water. The Prime Minister added, saying that India's first deep draft greenfield seaport at West Coast has also received principal approval almost after 3 decades. The construction work of the deep draft in a harbour has begun at East Coast. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.